$8,491 in only 7 days. That's how much money I made with my own Skool community. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down step by step how I did it so that you can replicate the process. Now, the very first step when it comes to making money with your Skool community is in creating your offer. Now, in my case, I started off with a low ticket community. As of right now, it's generating 3.5K every single month. But recently, I've been looking at developing a higher ticket offer. That's how I was able to make this amount of money in only 7 days with the high ticket. Because at the end of the day, I don't have a very large following. I don't have an endless budget to spend on ads, and I'm just getting started. So the best way for me to make the most amount of money as quickly as possible is with high ticket offers. In my case, what my high ticket offer looked like is taking what I already do, which is implementing high level with Skool communities to allow people to run them more efficiently and scale them faster. And I just implemented a done for you service. And for a few clients that are already on some other CRM and are looking to get onto high level, not only do I offer that done for you connection between high level and Skool, but I also offer them a full migration from their current CRM into high level. And on top of that, I offer them a full year membership of my community with the sub account included. If that isn't a no-brainer offer, I don't know what is. They literally do not need to do anything. They just come in, wait a few days, and they get their account fully built, connected to their Skool community with everything that they had before, and it's now ready to go and ready to scale. So what you guys are gonna have to do is take what you currently have or start thinking of something that is so no-brainer that, as Alex Hormozi says, people feel stupid saying no to. Once you have this no-brainer offer, the second thing that you guys need to do is focus on driving as much traffic as you can possibly drive. What you're going to do is you're going to think about your target avatar. You're going to look at where they hang out and you're going to meet them there all day, every single day. And you're going to do this to increase the exposure that you get so that people start seeing you everywhere all the time and they start being curious as to what exactly you do. In my case, I'm getting members from two different sources. The first is directly on Skool. As I'm targeting Skool community owners, the very best place for me to hang out is literally inside of Skool. So I'm on Skool 24/7, quite literally. If you head on over to my profile and you head on over, as you can see around here, I get 1,000 or 2,000 activities per day. This means that people inside of Skool are going to be seeing me absolutely everywhere. I get DMs from people telling me, hey, no matter where I go, no matter what time it is, I see you absolutely everywhere. And this is exactly what you guys need to be doing. The more your target avatar sees you, the more used they get to you, and the more curious they'll be as to what the hell you actually do. So focus as best as you can on driving as much traffic as possible. Now, the second place that I hang out the most is exactly here on YouTube. What I do is I try to post 3 times per week and be consistent and show up as much as possible, delivering as much value as possible, which we'll touch upon in just a second, so that more people can see me and I have more exposure. The good thing with YouTube is that once you've posted the video, as long as your video is relevant throughout time, your video will be evergreen and it will continue attracting more and more views. And who knows, 2, 3, 4 months down the line, it could very well explode and you could get thousands, if not millions of views. It's highly unlikely, still hasn't happened to me. Knock on wood, hopefully it will. But your aim is to be as consistent as possible and show up as much as possible. Now, with all of this traffic now coming in, what you guys need to do is to get these people to book in calls with you. Now, for those of you selling a low ticket offer like myself, I would highly discourage you from hopping on calls. Why? Because if you sell anything less than $100 per month, you're spending a lot of time on these calls that you could otherwise be focusing on traffic and getting even more people to come in to then sell to them through other means that don't require as much time up front. This is something that I'm working very hard to do right now. As of right now, I am still taking calls to sell people on my low ticket offer. However, I'm trying to move away from that so that I can leverage my time better and get even more traffic and close more people without needing to hop on any calls. Now, for me, the best way that I get people to book in calls with me are through 3 different ways. The first is the second that people join my community, I'm in there every single day, welcoming them by tagging them in there and giving them a call to action to book in an exclusive call with me where they can unlock an exclusive gift. The second is through DMs, where I reach out to them with an auto DM and then I follow up with them daily to get them to book in a call with me. And third of all is through emails. I have an automated nurturing sequence that when someone joins my free community, they start receiving daily emails from me with calls to action, getting them to book in a call with me. So no matter where they go, they are going to see my call to action for them to book in a call with me and unlock this exclusive gift that I'm going to give them if they show up, which, as you can imagine, dramatically increases my show up rate. Now, once you get these people on a call, you need to make sure that you're as valuable and as helpful as humanly possible. In my case, I tell people up front, look, just to set the expectations straight, I'm not a pushy person and I'm not a lousy salesman. I'm not here to sell you. I'm here to understand your current situation, and I'm here to help you as best as I humanly can. And I mean it. When I get on these calls with these people, I focus on genuinely helping them out, and I do not pitch a single thing. For those people that do not need my help, I literally do not push anything onto them. I just give them an insane amount of value so that they start trusting me more and they like me, because odds are that when they leave, they may know someone that may need my services, or later down the line, they may see someone that needs my services, and so they'll start talking about me for me. That is the best type of advertising that you can possibly get. The second that your members and anyone who's heard of you starts recommending you, you have fully unlocked the power of leverage. Now, for other types of people that get on these calls and genuinely need my help and what I offer inside of my paid community, I just start helping them in a way that slowly but surely leads them to realizing that they need to join my premium community. What I basically do is I show them what they can do to solve their issue, and I frame my premium community in a way that shows them that it's a no-brainer offer and that they need to join to get that much further. And an important thing here is that you need to be able to deliver inside of your paid community. I know that the second people join my paid community, if they take action, they can consume my course within an hour or two, and they can get fully implemented within that hour or two and seeing results that very same day. Now, this quick win and these wins that are ongoing with what I offer allow me to get people to join that much more easily and allow me to keep my churn really, really low. Now, for these people that need your help and that you know you can deliver on, you'll want to close them on the call. At the end of the day, if you've gone through everything correctly and you're genuinely invested and wanting to help them, you'll be able to tell them why they need to join right now and not tomorrow. Because odds are, if they leave the call and they start thinking about it, they're going to have questions that you cannot answer straight away. They're going to start thinking different things. They're going to start coming up with different objections which aren't real, and you will not be able to close them as easily. So if you can, make sure to close them on that call and get them onboarded as soon as possible so that you can increase the odds of them converting, first of all, and them sticking around for the long run. And once you've closed them, what you need to do now is just rinse and repeat. You're going to continuously drive as much traffic as possible, testing different streams, testing different things, copying what works, and doubling down on what works. And you're going to just repeat this process of driving traffic, booking people in, getting on the calls, providing genuine help and genuine value, and then closing those people that genuinely need your help. If you do this, I can guarantee you, you are gonna make a boatload of money. Now, if you haven't already understood from this method, there's one part that is absolutely crucial to make everything work. And what this is obsessing over your clients. Now, I want you to change your mentality, and I want you to start thinking that your clients are not only the ones that pay you to be inside of your community, but also the people that are invested in hopping on a call with you or posting inside of your community. Those people are just as valuable to you. Just because someone does not pay or does not join your paid community does not mean that later down the line they will not, and it does not mean that they don't know anyone that could join your paid community. So treat everyone as nicely as if they were paying you, and make sure that you obsess over people to help them as much as possible and to get them that much further. You'll be shocked at how much further your business will come and how much faster everything will happen if you only obsess over the client. If Jeff Bezos is here telling us to obsess over the client and that was one of the main key things that got Amazon to where it is today, then you should be doing the exact same thing. And that's a principle that I follow every single day. Now, if you're looking to scale your community faster and more easily, make sure to go ahead and check out this video here because I break down step by step exactly how you can do that.